what am I doing hanging out in the parking garage this time of the day? Well, let me show you. Yeah, that right there. More importantly, that. It's just bad. They're old headlights, they're original. We can do better than that. And as I'm sure if you looked at the thumbnail, you know the answer. So let's get to it. All right, so what exactly are we installing these guys right here from Auxito? Headlights. I think it's the picture they like. It's this one they like. Brand new headlights. Because not only do they look better, but they're a lot safer. And let's face it, that's the whole thing when you're driving. You want to be safe, right? Yeah, these guys right here. Now I know for a fact those are originals because I've never changed them. So we definitely want to go ahead and get these uninstalled and get these installed. Let's go ahead and get these guys opened up and see what all comes in here. It's always good to have a little manual. And there's our lights. All right, so what exactly can I tell you about these lights? Well, they're LEDs. They're 6500K white lights. This is an H7 bulb and a 2017 Veloster, so I'm not sure what model you need, but if you're doing a 2017 Veloster, after a little quick research on the internet, H7 is the bulb you want. Don't order the wrong things. The process is pretty straightforward. You're gonna go ahead and spin these guys off and get to the bulb. And just replace them. It's that simple. All right, now that we've gained access to our headlight bulb, you need to hold this guy firmly and just kind of wiggle it on out of there. Get a hold of it and get it out. And that's it. Out with the old, in with the new. Check these out. And installation is pretty much the same. You just line it up, pop it in, and put her back where she belongs. A little twist and a click. The light's back in. Make sure to reinstall your cover to keep them safe. And then we move on to the other side. Driver's side's a little harder to get to, but we're gonna see if we can do it without taking the whole light out. It may not be doable. You may be pulling this bumper cover. Got the cap off. Can we get the light out? Oh, sounded like success. Oh yeah, there we go. Same thing as the passenger side. I find it's best to grip this guy tight and get this guy just a little wiggling and she'll come right out, just like that. So let's show you a little comparison between the old bulb and the new bulb. Make sure it's inserted all the way in, and then get it back in its happy little home. All right, once you've successfully reinstalled that light, you can figure out how to get your cap that you dropped back out of that hole and get it reinstalled. If you run into any problems, you're unable to get your hands in here and get this, you can remove the headlights right here. There's another bolt hiding behind this bumper cover. This bumper cover has tabs and a bolt. Take this bolt off, pop this out, headlight comes out. You can gain access easy. All right, and just like that, we've got ourselves some bright new headlights from Auxito installed in our 2017 Veloster. So there's only one thing to do now. There you have it, LED headlights. You can tell because they're flickering in the camera. All right, so we're back in the garage, and how did we do? Well, like that. Now, aside from those lenses needing a little bit of work, I think this is a solid upgrade. So if you guys want to go ahead and get some headlights for yourself, I'll put all the information down in the description. Make sure to click the links. You know, you buy it through me. People like the videos, people like the products. the company sees that, and hey, maybe they send me more cool stuff, because y'all know I got some more cars and trucks to work on. Thank you, Auxito, for helping me make this video. You guys know what to do. Get yourself a set of lights.